Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Car Reviews. Today, we're diving into something truly breathtaking, the 2025 Porsche 718, dressed in a gleaming coat of pure white brilliance. This car isn't just another sports coupe, it's an emotion sculpted in metal, an experience built for those who crave precision, speed, and the art of perfection. So, buckle up, because what you're about to witness is more than a review, it's a journey into Porsche's modern masterpiece. The first thing that strikes you is its presence. From the moment the 2025 Porsche 718 rolls into view, you can't help but admire its hypnotic stance. The painted gleamy white finish shimmers under the light like liquid pearl, emphasizing every curve and contour. The sleek LED headlights are sharper and more expressive than ever, giving it that unmistakable Porsche stare, confident, bold, and ready to devour the road ahead. The front air intakes are larger and more sculpted, not just for show but to enhance aerodynamic efficiency and cooling. Every inch of this car is designed to slice through air with grace. Move along the side and the story continues. The silhouette remains unmistakably Porsche, with that mid-engine balance giving the 718 its athletic poise. The sculpted doors, the low-slung roofline, and those 20-inch alloy wheels, all come together like a symphony of speed and beauty. Even parked, it looks like it's moving. Now, step inside, and it's a different world, a world where luxury meets performance with seamless harmony. The cabin feels intimate yet refined. Premium leather wraps every surface, from the steering wheel to the sporty bucket seats that hold you tight during every corner. The new 10.9-inch infotainment display dominates the dashboard, blending advanced technology with Porsche's classic driver-focused layout. Everything is within reach, tactile, intuitive, and built with surgical precision. You'll notice the attention to detail everywhere, the subtle stitching, the brushed aluminum trims, and the minimalist yet purposeful design that keeps distractions away. The driving position is pure perfection. You sit low, the steering wheel feels alive in your hands, and the digital cluster displays everything from lap times to navigation with razor-sharp clarity. Underneath that sleek shell lies the beating heart of a true performer. The 2025 Porsche 718 packs a turbocharged 2.5-liter flat-4 engine producing over 400 horsepower. The acceleration is instantaneous, press the pedal, and the world blurs. 0 to 60 happens in just about 3.7 seconds, and the sound, that deep, throaty growl, is pure music to an enthusiast's ear. The handling, surgical. The car feels glued to the asphalt, responding to every input with precision that's hard to describe, it's something you have to feel to believe. Whether you're cruising city streets or attacking mountain curves, the 718 delivers an experience that's both thrilling and balanced. Of course, Porsche hasn't forgotten about efficiency. The new engine tuning ensures better fuel management without compromising performance, and with multiple driving modes, you can switch from comfort to sport at the tap of a button. As for pricing, the 2025 Porsche 718 starts around $75,000, but depending on trim and customization, it can climb past $100,000. And honestly, every penny feels justified for the engineering, craftsmanship, and pure driving pleasure it delivers. In a world filled with crossovers and electric silence, the Porsche 718 remains a bold statement, a reminder of what true driving passion feels like. It's not just about going fast, it's about feeling connected, alive, and in control. So, if you're searching for a car that blends elegance with adrenaline, luxury with legacy, the 2025 Porsche 718 might just be the perfect choice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. This is Car Reviews, and I'll catch you in the next drive, where passion meets performance on 4 wheels.